Hello everyone and welcome back. So let's solve this question together, and we are asked, let y is equal to fx be the particular solution to the differential equation dy dx is equal to 3 minus x into y square with the initial condition f1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so first come to part A, find f double dash 1. So first our job is find first derivative, and we are given y dash is equal to 3 minus x y square. So differentiate again. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now use the product rule. Y double dash is equal to d dx of 3 minus x into y square. So product rule says this is equal to 3 minus x into d dx of y square plus y square into d dx of 3 minus x. Okay, now d dx of y square is equal to what? 2y y dash, and d dx of 3 minus x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so y double dash is equal to what? 3 minus x into 2y y dash minus y square. Okay, now substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. So first y dash at x is equal to 1 is y dash is equal to 3 minus 1 into minus 1 whole square, that is 2 into 1, that is 2. Now substitute into y double dash. So y double dash is equal to 3 minus 1 into 2 into minus 1 into 2 minus 1 whole square. So we get 2 into minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 8 minus 1, that is minus 9. So the final answer for part A will be f double dash 1 is equal to minus 9. So this is the final answer for part A. Now come to part B. Second degree Taylor polynomial about x is equal to 1, and the formula is t2x is equal to f1 plus f dash 1 into x minus 1 plus f double dash 1 by 2 into x minus 1 whole square, and we have f1 is equal to minus 1, f dash 1 is equal to 2, and f double dash 1 is equal to minus 9. Now substitute this. So we get t2x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 minus 9 by 2 into x minus 1 whole square. So the final answer for part B will be t2x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 minus 9 by 2 into x minus 1 whole square. Okay, now come to part C, approximate f 1.1. Okay, so first plug into the Taylor polynomial. So at x minus 1 is equal to 0.1. So t2 1.1 becomes minus 1 plus 2 into 0.1 minus 9 by 2 into 0.1 whole square, that is minus 1 plus 0.2 minus 9 by 2 0.01. So this is minus 1 plus 0.2 into minus 4.5 into 0.01. So that is minus 1 plus 0.2 minus 0.045. So this is minus 0.845. Approximation is f 1.1 is equal to is near about minus 0.845. Okay. Now given f triple dash x mod of f triple dash x less than equal to 60. So error formula, error less than equal to m by 6 mod x minus 1 whole cube, that is 60 by 6 into 0.1 whole cube, that is 10 into 0.001, that is 0.01. So approximation differs by at most 0.01. So this is verified. Now part D. Two equal steps from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 1.1. Step size is h is equal to 0.1 by 2, that is 0.05. Okay, so initially x0 is equal to 1 and y0 is equal to minus 1. So slope y dash is equal to 3 minus 1 into minus 1 whole square, that is 2. Now the formula we all know, y1 is equal to y0 plus hf x0 y0. Okay, so that is minus 1 plus 0.05 into 2, that is minus 1 plus 0.1, that is minus 0.9. Now the second step, x is equal to 1.05 to 1.1. Now x is equal to what? 1.05 and y1 is equal to what? Minus 0.9. So slope y dash will be 3 minus 1.05 into minus of 0.9 whole square, that is 1.95 into 0.81. Okay, now y2 is equal to minus 0.9 plus 0.05 into 1.5795. Okay, so that is minus of 0.9 plus 0.078975. Okay, so that is minus of 0.821025. So if 1.1 is approximately minus of 0.821. Okay, so this is the final answer for part D. Okay, so this is the full solution of this question. I hope this is clear to you. So see you in the next session with a new question. So don't miss it out. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.